A naughty kid was once told, if you were a fruit, you would be a dragon fruit because you're a little scary and hard to understand, but you're surely nice and sweet. Yes, today we talk about the pitaya or the dragon fruit. Whether it's the peculiarity or the taste, the dragon fruit has become a treat in the Indian platters only in the recent few years. It is not tough to grow dragon fruit. It grows through seeds by drawing out saplings on a moist tissue paper within a few days or through cuttings. As you see, they are so similar to cactus. In short, you take care of one big dragon fruit plant and then you can have an entire bed of those. Just looking at the plant will make you understand that they don't require much water. However, for a good flowering and a yummy fruit, you must water them regularly in summers. No watering is required in winters and obviously none in monsoons. It can easily prosper in waste and dead soils. But again, if you want a good fruit, you better give them good fertilization. Dragon fruit plants can be grown in big planters, but better directly in the soil. Either way, give them lots of sunlight. Pitaya plant gives fruit after a couple of years if planted in a planter or a grow bag, but growing them directly in the soil will make them give fruit in the first year itself. What's amazing is that pitaya can keep giving fruits for around 25 years, and that too up to a couple of times in a year. A dragon fruit tree can grow as tall as 15 to 20 feet high, but you can keep it down to manageable levels in your garden. One more interesting name given to it is the strawberry pear. This amazingly unusual looking fruit is native to Central and South America. It belongs to the cactus family, yet it does not have spines or thorns. Dragon fruit reduces cancer risks, boosts immunity, is good for heart and digestion, and also so for your skin, hair and bones. Since it's so easy to grow and has such amazing benefits, there is no reason why you can't have it in your garden or terrace garden. Go ahead, plant them at the earliest. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out mencanmakehomes.com for some great recipes. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now and keep watching us for much more to follow.